I do. I am very roughly trying to draw behind me, if you can see. This is our extreme wind warning. So it's this white line here. Everyone within this area, it includes Grand Isle, it clips the side of Boothville, cut off Houma as well, Golden Meadow. All of you are under what is called an extreme wind warning, and that goes until 10:45 a.m. And I'm going to read the definition from the the Weather Service office. It is a short fuse product that alerts in the final moments prior to rapid onset of destructive winds associated with the inner rain bands of major hurricanes. This truly poses a very significant threat of casualties. Everyone needs to shelter in place. They want you to shelter in place right now if you are in this area because of the bands that are moving on shore. They are hurricane force winds as well. So Damon, right now, the latest update that we've received, they are seeing sustained winds of 105 miles an hour. That was at the Southwest Pass that I started with, and gusts already up to 121 miles an hour. That type of wind is now, it's here, it's arriving, and Damon, it's only going to continue to move inland and towards the rest of us within the coming hours.